Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. I just want to say that every time I get this pink box in the mail, I feel like it is going to be Christmas. I love this box. In every box, when you open up, the confetti kind of lets you know what theme it is. These do come out about every 2 months. When I saw the pink and purple, I automatically knew it was going to be Mermaid. Inside the box, there's a card and they have nails that give you inspiration. So if you're a beginner or you don't really do nails or not that artistic, you can always take a look at the nails and go from there. On the back of the box, it does tell you exactly what's in the box so that if you're interested in getting more, you can always go onto their website and order some. And then you always have a code that's on the front of the card as well. So the first thing out of the box is this natural shell sticker, and it says it's made of real seashells. I don't know how. It was so soft when I touched it. And then the next thing is this iridescent or mermaid foil. And then we have this opalescent glass film foil. I've seen videos where people are cutting it like to fit the shape of their nail, and also where they cut it into little thin strips and put it up under their nail for that look. Next thing was this metallic chain in silver. You can use this and just like swirl it on your nail, or you can use it to frame the nail. The next item was a bonus item, and it was these neon star studs. And I did look on the website and they are available. The next item out is giving me Hawaii vibes. It's tropical floral gold studs and it has flowers and flamingos in it. Those were super cute. It had like gold and rose gold and bronzy looking decor in it. This next item is called the Ocean Gemstone Mix, and it has a blend of crushed iridescent, metallic stones, and blue beads. It was so cute. I loved it. The next thing was a bonus item. It was a seashell bracelet. These were so cute. I have not seen these four-pointed stars in a jelly material, and these are rainbow colored. These were so cute. And then these kitty line art stickers gave me minimalistic vibes, and I actually used them in this set today. I don't know, it was something about these stickers. I know it was a mermaid box, but it was screaming cat nails to me. Where are my cat lovers at? Did this box say meow to you too? Okay, all right, anyway. We got Twinkle Twinkle Rhinestones again. These are the shade mix. This one has 4 different colors in it, but they are sold separately on the website. The shift in these are amazing. They are so beautiful and sparkly. Looks like we have some raindrops, kite, rhombus, pear, flames, stars, moons, just to name a few. Next item was this summer charm mix in white, and these were super cute. It has a mermaid, a starfish, a little seashell, a conch shell, and a turtle. They're not available on the website, but I tell you what is available, this summer box. So if you want to purchase it, you can for $59 while supplies last. The next thing we have is this glow-in-the-dark neon glitters, and it came in 6 different colors. These are so cute. Fine glitter, chunky hex, opalescence. These are so beautiful, and they glow in the dark, so it's a win-win-win. Even though I did do a cat video first, I did do mermaid nails, and I used a couple of these. Next item out of the box was this Summer Sweet Resin Mix, and it was 20 pieces of desserts and bows. These are so cute. I'm gonna have to try to squeeze in a video before the summer is out and use these. The next item we had was the crushed seashell box, and it did come in 12 different colors. Some of them were unexpected, like that brown and that black. That'll be interesting to use. The next item was another bonus item, and it was just a purple satin scrunchie, super cute. The next item I really loved. It was this 2-in-1 glass cuticle pusher, and it kind of puts texture on your nails. So as you're pushing your cuticles back, you're also etching them. And then it was great to like get dry gel from around the cuticle area. 10 out of 10, love that one. Okay, so it already feels like Christmas every time I get this pink box in the mail, but then they put a present inside of a present and it is so cute. Now it says that it is for prepping and cleaning cuticles, so maybe it's meant to hold alcohol or a little bit of acetone to clean around the cuticle area. But I'm sure there's other uses, like it could hold a ring, it could hold a pair of earrings if you put it on your nightstand. It is so cute. I love it. And we got not one but two charm gels in this month's box. We got S38 and S36. This S38 is in the stars. It is a beautiful lilac purple with iridescent glitter in it. And when I tell you the color shifts in this polish and it just gets better because this Dream Weaver is the most beautiful aqua blue and it has reflective glitters in it and iridescent flakes. The camera light is just not doing this any justice. When I tell you these two gel polishes are so beautiful. I was just on the Daily Charm website and these actually come in a set of 6 of these iridescent and reflective polishes and they're on sale, so perfect time to use that code. And that was everything that came in the box, so let's get into the video. So what I'm using today is the Kitty Line art stickers along with these Twinkle Twinkle Rhinestones. It came as a mix in a previous Charm box, but they are available separate on the Daily Charm website. I'm also using the Dream Weaver and Perfect White. I'm also using the Daily Charm Gel Extension Kit. It comes with a primer, bonder, and the Extend Gel, as well as the Velvet Matte Top Coat. Also, I will be using these long ivory coffin nail tips from Daily Charm. And finally, I'm going to be using the Daily Charm Top Coat. Now, since I do create content, I use the pop-off method, so I'm not going to be using steps 1 and 2, but if you want your nails to last, please be sure that you are doing the complete prep so that your nails will last. You can also go in with the step 2 bonder and etch the inside of the nail. Save yourself some time instead of using the drill. And then you're ready to go in with step 3. The Extend Gel is very, very thick. It does not run, which I appreciate. So you start by putting some in around the cuticle area of the nail. When you go to press it on your nail, have it at a 45-degree angle and then press the nail down until the gel reaches the free edge of your nail, and then you're ready to go into the light. I like to go between 3 and 5 seconds. That way, if I need to do some cleanup around the edges, the gel is still soft enough that I can easily do that before I go into the lamp for a 60-second cure. So I did just repeat the process on all 5 of my nails. After I finish curing my nails for 60 seconds, the next thing that I'm going to do is take the nail file and do any cleanup around the cuticle area. I'm going to make sure that the nail is flush to my nail bed, and then I'm going to go underneath to make sure that all of my filing is done. And then I'm going to buff down the entire nail and make sure that the free edge is straight. After I'm finished doing with all my filing and buffing, I do go in with the lint-free wipe to remove all of the dust, and now I'm ready for my gel application. So the first thing I'm going to do is just use this Perfect White to polish all 5 of my nails. And since polishing is so satisfying, I am going to let you listen to music as I do this process. But before I go, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you're enjoying the content. And if you're feeling generous, if you would leave me a comment, and I'll be back at the next step.
I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Alright, so off camera I did go in with a second coat of the Perfect White, and now I'm applying the Dreamweaver on top of it. I could have used it alone, but I felt like it just didn't give it the right pop, so that's why I did decide to layer it on top of the white so that it would really stand out. I do go in with 2 or 3 layers of this Dreamweaver just to get to the right opacity and make sure that it looks nice up under the white. And then the next thing that I do is go in with a base coat over the white. I did this off camera, and the reason why it looked a little streaky to me, so just to fill in those lines. So right now the nails do look a little yellow, but don't worry, it all comes back together after I apply the matte top coat. It goes back to the perfect white looking nails.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to say.
So immediately when I opened up the box and I saw those stickers, I knew I wanted to do cat nails, and immediately minimalistic nails popped into my mind. My daughter is always asking me to do some white nails, and so I thought, okay, I'm going to take a chance and do these white nails, but I'm just going to step it up a little bit and add one of these stickers to each nail. And then whenever I thought about it, I was like, well, let me just add just this Dreamweaver onto 2 nails. That's not going to be too bad. That's still kind of minimalistic. And then when I looked at it, I was like, it needs a little bit more. So I added these blue 4-pointed stars, and I only added 1 to 2 on each one of the white nails. And then I went over it with the Diamond Shine top coat. And then I looked at it and I was like, yeah, it needs a little bit more. And so that's where the rhinestones came in. And so I added the rhinestones to the center of each of the 4-pointed stars. And that was it. I didn't do anything else to these nails. All right, I'm just going to add a little cuticle oil just to bring them back to life. And here is the finished set, as minimalistic as I could be. I hope you enjoyed the video. I do thank you for watching. There are more videos on the way, so stay tuned and take care. Bye for now.